Hey guys, just want to say some couple quick pointers for leaky faucet repairs. This was not a leaky faucet as in the matter of dripping when it was off, but when I turned it on, it would leak out right there. So, read some online reviews and suggestions. Seems like a pretty quick fix. Just put in a new gasket. I didn't know what size I needed, so I bought this. It was like $5 on Amazon, 141 faucet washer assortment. So anyways, I got it all apart, and in fact I did need a new washer. It's this guy right here, and I replaced it with one of them that was, it didn't have this little tab insert, but it's about this size right here. Actually, I'll pull it out so that I'll show you which one I used. So as you can see, it doesn't have that tab, but anyways, that still worked. But it wasn't as simple as what I thought it would be after reading and watching videos online. So this is a B&K Mueller, what's the part number? NSF61-9. And problem was, had a lot of calcium buildup on the shaft here. This actually goes right in there. That's where the problem was. So I ended up taking the entire, unscrewing it here, taking this entire section out instead of just the front, where I would have just been able to slide this on. A quick 10-minute fix. And I used some, I don't remember, it was some fine grit sandpaper to try and remove the calcium buildup. I got most of it off, but ended up not getting all of it, so I soaked it in vinegar for 2 hours. Just threw it in a bowl with some white vinegar, and that cleaned it up real nice. And I actually threw the whole section in there. As you can see, it looks a lot better. Well, maybe you can't see. Anyways, there's two other seals, one right here, and then one that actually closes the valve. Those were both fine. I just put some additional petroleum jelly on there, and I didn't have any problems before, don't have any problems now. And then petroleum jellied the shaft and this part, put it all back together, and now it works. So still a simple job. Electrical guy can do it, anybody can do this. Real simple plumbing fix, but it wasn't just a 10-minute swap. I did have to clean the shaft, and then with some light gauge sandpaper, and then also some vinegar. Vinegar cleaned it up real nice, just time consuming. So, hope that helps.